4 o'clock now. Here we go. Start now. Start right now. Buena Vista, Calhoun, Cherokee, Clay, Crawford, Dixon, Emmett, Ida, Lyon, Monona, O'Brien, Osceola, Palo Alto, Plymouth, Pocahontas, Sac, Sioux, Woodbury, Iowa, Antelope, Cedar, County, Dakota, Dixon, Holt, Knox, Mason, Pierce, Stanton, Thurston, Wayne, Nebraska, Bon Home, Clay, South Dakota, at 4 o'clock on April 30th, 2026, effective until 4:15. Message from KTIV.
So far, so good with you. And Dan, do you even practice anymore?
Oh my God, yes.
You know what? Before we end this video, yes, weather alert.
Maybe.
Really? 15?
Yeah, I'm gonna say yes.
Look, watch this.
14.
I believe in these ladies. 13.
What did you say?
13.
Frost advisory. Antelope until 9 a.m. tomorrow. Buena Vista until 8 a.m.
As those words came out of my mouth.
Burt until 9 a.m.
Go for it. All right, Dan.
Cedar until 9 a.m. Yeah, you couldn't even make that weekly test. There's an alert. Cherokee until 8 a.m. Jesus, I'm going to make another video related to this. Clay until 8 a.m. Counting until 9 a.m. tomorrow. Counting until 9 a.m. tomorrow. Dakota until 8 a.m. tomorrow. That is included with that test. Dixon until 8 a.m. tomorrow. Dixon again.
Keep your hands on the tablet.
Until 8 a.m.
Didn't matter there at all.
Ida until 8 a.m.
Because you talk with your hands.
I do, I'm sorry.
I know, we all do. We all do. No, you did great.
Knox until 9 a.m. Lincoln until 8 a.m.
College friends Whitney and Katie. Back with their 6th episode, they've already won over
Lyon until 8 a.m.
In cash and prizes. Welcome back, ladies.
Mason until Madison until 9 a.m. tomorrow. Monona until 9 a.m. tomorrow. That is included. O'Brien until 8 a.m. tomorrow. This is all included in Frost advisory. Osceola until 8 a.m. tomorrow. Jesus, I'm losing track. I'm losing my words here. Here's until 9 a.m. Did I say that again? Platt until 9 a.m. tomorrow. Plymouth until 8 a.m. Oh my God. Sioux until 8 a.m. tomorrow. Stanton until 9 a.m. tomorrow. Thurston until 9 a.m. tomorrow. Holy moly. Union until 8 a.m. tomorrow. That's not included in oh my God, in this test. Wayne until 9 a.m. tomorrow. Woodbury until 8 a.m. tomorrow.
Whitney, please start the bidding.
Meredith.
Yankton until 8 a.m. tomorrow. And that's it for this episode. Bye.